HellermannTyton is represented in 39 countries around the world and is a manufacturer and supplier of cable management systems. My team sees itself as an international service provider to harmonize worldwide systems and leverage synergies out of it. Our objective was to hype our digital communication to the highest possible level. The applications we've built upon this technology, upon the Bloomreach Experience Manager, together with the Mighty Master Data Management System, sets up the foundation for our global business strategy. We set up a powerful, responsive website to cluster even unknown audiences and to deliver different content to different personas. We are using relevance targeting. We have set up a personalized area, the My HellermannTyton area, and lots of services for registered users, like favorite lists, like last search terms, hardware registry is available, personal customer download area is available, and so on. We continuously increased our sessions, the visitors on the platform, search requests, conversions.